Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the flip tine latch in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new flip tine latch. The flip tine latch locks the adjustable tine roll in the upper position. If an adjustable tine roll won't lock in the vertical position, the flip tine latch should be checked and replaced if needed. Open the door. Pull out the lower dish rack. Remove the silverware basket and place the dish rack on a workable place. Using the small flat blade screwdriver, push up the end of the tine insert clip and release it from the dish rack wires. Save it. Fold down the adjustable tine roll. Push in the top of the flip tine latch to release the clip. Turn the flip tine latch counterclockwise to remove it from the tine roll. This is the old flip tine latch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Turn the new flip tine latch to the left for approximately 90 degrees. Install it so the wire fits in the corner clip. Push it in with your right thumb and simultaneously turn it clockwise. The flip tine latch should lock on the tine roll. Keep the adjustable tine roll folded. Hook the flip tine latch over the wire at the bottom of the latch and press it hard to lock the top clip. Use both hands. Raise and lock in the adjustable tine roll. Install the one arch on the tine insert clip on the dish rack cross wires and the other end on the adjustable tine roll and the basket wire. Push it down to lock in the position. Install the lower dish rack. Put the silverware basket in and slide the lower dish rack in. Now we can close the door, plug the dishwasher in, and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.